Understanding Oven Control, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, oven control. This might sound like a technical term, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversation. Oven control refers to the ability to regulate the temperature and settings of an oven. This is a common phrase in cooking and kitchen contexts. It's not just about turning the oven on and off, but understanding how to adjust the temperature for different types of cooking. Let's see how this phrase is used. 1. Adjusting temperature. Make sure you have good oven control when baking cakes to prevent them from burning. 2. Using oven settings. Learning oven control is key to mastering baking and roasting. Good oven control is crucial for any cook. It ensures that food is cooked evenly, at the right temperature, and for the correct amount of time. Poor oven control can lead to undercooked, overcooked, or unevenly cooked food. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, oven control, and its importance in the kitchen. Remember, like any skill, it takes practice to master. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.